Hello, my name is Don Cornett. Welcome to my video demonstration of projectile motion. This demonstration is to satisfy the requirements for Dr. Mateo Aboy's Programming for Engineers course, in which we are utilizing the MATLAB programming language to plot functions and create user interfaces. My function is called Projectile Motion, as all one word. First, I will show the help of that function. So, help projectile motion, all one word, enter. And here you can see that I require three input arguments to solve. The initial height position, the initial velocity, and the angle of the projectile. The immediate outputs will be in the form of the range of the projectile, the maximum x distance traveled, the maximum y or height reached, and the time to complete the cycle. Let me go ahead and clear that. I've also added some controls into the program to limit the parameters that the users can input. It outputs a display message about the error, and I'll demonstrate that at the end of this. But let's demonstrate the program function. So again, it's projectile motion. And once I put the starting bracket, it asks me for the first parameter, or the height. So I'll start with 0, comma, and it's prompting me for the velocity. So let's just say 20 meters per second. The angle, so let's just do 45 degrees and close it out. Enter. And you can see over here in the command window that there's the range, the max height location, and the time. And here's our figure, and you can see that at the bottom there's distance in meters, height in meters on the side, and you can see that it has the plot on it. So let's clear that again, and let's just do another example. We'll still do 0, we'll still do 20, but let's do 60-degree angle. And you can see how the graph has changed for the inputs that we've put into it. Clearing that again, I just want to demonstrate the display errors. So let's say that we are trying to do the projectile motion, but we're using a height that's below the ground, or a negative number, so for like a -5 at 20 at a 45-degree angle. And you can see we get initial height, HGT, is out of range, must be 0 or greater, up to 10,000 meters. So over here in the program, I have all my initial calculations, the evaluations for the output, but down here in the control section, there's all of these parameters that are inputted for velocity, height, angle, and limits that are set for all of those. And down here is the plot information. This concludes my demonstration, and I thank you very much.